Alright. So, apparently there's some drag event on tonight. And a couple of mates are going. And they want me to bring my xr8. Now this thing's stock as fuck. I haven't done anything to it. Curious to see what time I could run in this before I actually do anything to it. So currently right now, I need to figure out which way the tail shaft weights go on my tail shaft, because right now it vibrates a little bit. It's not bad, but it vibrates like enough for me to kind of go eh. And I still need to put my seats back in it. I guess in this video, let's see if we can try to get this ready. It's been a hot minute since I've actually taken this thing out. She hasn't seen sunlight in a long time, so it might be good to get her out. Now one of the real questions is, will this thing actually start? So, I haven't probably started this thing in, it's been a couple months now. I do need to re-wrinkle the paint. Just give the engine bay a little bit of a freshen up, but there are spider webs all in this car. Fuck. I still have an exhaust rattle that I never fixed. I didn't even fix that, it's over here. A couple things I need to fix. I need to get the spoiler repainted, because that had a lot of sun damage on it. Still need to finish up my whole boot setup. Right now there's just wires everywhere. Totally need some fuel. Alright, so now that I've de-webbed the whole car, I need to clean all this. To be honest, I should jack it up so I can get to the tail shaft, but there's a lot that's going on in here that I kind of need to mess with, so I just need to figure out which one to do first. Just warming up nicely. There is one thing I never liked about this exhaust, and that is, it kind of pops. I'm not a big fan of it. It's got kind of that slappy pop to it. I hate that, but let's go get a vacuum cleaner. Let's clean up this interior.
Pedro, 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 praticamente il meglio di Santa Fe. Pedro, 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 fidati di me. Pedro, 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 praticamente.
Okay, so just vacuumed the whole car, so it's nicer to work in. Now that I've finished that side quest, I feel like this is a good time to jack up the rear of the car and start fucking with these tail shaft weights. I do not like, there are a lot of possibilities, so hopefully we can get a first try, but I doubt that. Let's jack this car up. So now that we got the car jacked up in the air, let's see if we can find which way to put these. So one thing I've always hated about this car, because I've got it from Perth, is it's just got like Perth dust stuck to it. So everything's kind of orangey. But I now need to figure out which way goes on here. So I did notice that there were some lines on here. So I'm going to try these out. And I'm going to see if these were originally it. It could be this one goes here or that one goes there, but I'm going to switch in between these two. Right now I need to drop the car. I also need to move all my cars so they can take this out. I'll go for a drive on the freeway and I'll see if it still vibrates. So right now, need to put the interior back in. So let's do that. We can use a bit of YouTube magic. Nice. Alright, so I got all the interior back in. My microphone's actually died, so in the time I took it for a drive. Feels good, feels like the wheels need to be balanced now, but tail shaft seems to be all good. I did try fuck with a bit of my ECU because I used to have an issue where every time I would try dumping second, it wouldn't want to do it. It wouldn't want to do it, so it would kind of like want to kill itself. Like it was some setting they've got, or like some anti-thrash, I don't fucking know. All I know is that I've tried to change it, and hopefully I did, because I could never dump second in this thing. It doesn't matter how hard I revved it and how hard I dumped it, it wouldn't do anything. So hopefully she's all good now, and yeah. So we've done everything we needed to do for that car to just cruise it around today, which I'm quite happy about. So now let's probably just give it a wash, and that's about it. I don't know if we've fixed the whole second gear trying to do a burnout issue, but I guess we'll figure that in time to come. But for now, just need to pack up a bit.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel.
Alright, I've recorded nothing at all. So we've just been vibing, but going for a little ride along with Nick here. So you better not fucking shift like a spastic.
I am definitely not getting second.
But where's Joel? Joel's back there.
Kick a band down.
Where's your... Oh yeah. Got that? Yeah, right. We got some roll racing going. There's no more digs. Turns out my car only does a, what was it, 14.8? Yeah, I did a 14.8, so I forgot to bring any mounts as well, so this is what we're dealing with now.
Give us a dose.
Fuck, there's a lot of Falcon. What the fuck? Got an Evo.
this thing off.
Can we get the guy behind us?
Hang on a sec. Keep going, I'll bring him around then.
Legend.
How are you doing this?
What do you mean? I don't know how this works.
Neither.
Send it. That was a good race.
That was a good race. Fuck, we're coming in hot.
That was a good race.
Yeah.
Joel was slowly creeping up. Your shifting was good.
Yeah? I feel that.
Yeah, no, that was good.
Thanks, mate.
Yeah, you got the jump. Yeah. You got the jump and I had to reel you in, that's all it was.
How do you feel about the win?
Win's a win. And like I said, this is what I was nervous for, because it's the only time you're going to have a chance. Like, man, you don't have to take off. Like, but yeah, fuck, I'm not close. That speed is the same as when I was doing down the corner. Yeah, exactly. That's when it says miles per hour. I was looking across the line.
She a bit hot.
132,
Did I-
102, but
But
then
I don't know,
by the
like,
end-
did I jump it?
132 is longer.
Did I jump it or?
No, I think you took off first.
Round 2. Banging his cunt. She was fucking banging him.
That was a good run, but. Oh, we're coming in hot.
Thank you. I think we called it not.
Yeah, I think that.
The cars are probably just
Yeah,
saying, fucking go on.
Yeah.
I'm happy with that.
No, that was good. Alright. So. Unfortunately, I forgot to record a lot. I was just first time doing drag racing. So I was just in the moment, just enjoying it. But we got a couple runs. Managed to record a couple runs with Nick and Joel. But xr8 did alright. So again, sorry for not recording any of the runs that I did. Hopefully next time we can actually get my GoPro set up, get a suction cup for like a window or something. But that'll probably be it for this video. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more content. Maybe we might start tinkering with the xr8 a bit more. I still got a couple things to do, but Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.